Welcome to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. My name is Jason Perkins, and I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series because I wanted to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits that they can receive under that law. Today I'm going to talk about one type of benefit that's available under Georgia workers' compensation law, and that's medical benefits. And specifically, we're talking about surgery recommended by your workers' compensation authorized treating physician or a doctor your authorized treating physician has referred you to. So we're talking about an authorized doctor. Now, what happens when that surgery has been recommended and the workers' compensation insurance company refuses to approve that surgery? Well, unfortunately, this happens way too much in Georgia workers' compensation cases. Often surgery is pretty expensive and insurance companies may not want to pay for the surgeries that's been recommended. So they may just refuse to give the doctor's office approval, or they may specifically deny approval for the surgery. A lot of times they may want to send you out for a second opinion before that surgery is approved. So what's going to happen in your workers' compensation case while all this is going on? Well, for one thing, your surgery is delayed. You're waiting for it because the doctor's office and hospital are probably not going to move forward with the surgery if they don't have approval from the insurance company. So what can you do about that? Well, there are ways that you can fight to get that surgery approved. There's a few different ways, and the way that's best is going to depend on the particular situation in your case, but I'll talk about what those ways are. One is by speaking with the insurance company representative, usually the adjuster, and trying to persuade the adjuster to approve the surgery. Or you may be able to get your doctor's office to try to do this as well. It may require providing some additional evidence. Your doctor may need to fill out some additional paperwork to explain why the surgery is necessary or related to your injury at work. But if the insurance company changes their mind and approves it, then you should move forward and have the surgery. Now, if that's not a way that's going to work in your case, then other options that are available are forms that can be filed that are published by the State Board of Workers' Compensation. And there's two particular forms. One is called the Form WC-205, and the second is called the Form WC-PMT. Form WC-205 is a form used by your doctor's office to request approval for surgery when they can't get an answer from the insurance company. Now, this happens too often. The insurance company just won't give the doctor any answer about approval for the surgery, and the Form WC-205 form was created to request that information and to require the insurance company to give an answer. Basically, the doctor submits it to the insurance company, and the insurance company either has to give an answer within a certain period of time, or if no answer is given, the treatment requested is supposed to be pre-approved. The Form WC-PMT does something a little different. It can be used by you or your attorney to request that the insurance company give an answer on the surgery, or that there will be a conference phone call set up with a workers' compensation judge where the insurance company will have to explain why they're not approving the treatment that's been requested, in this case, the surgery for your workers' compensation case. So that can also be used to kind of bring things to a head and get an answer about approval for surgery. If the insurance company is denying your surgery, then there's a couple of different ways that you can move forward as well, which would include filing a motion with a workers' compensation judge or requesting a hearing in front of a workers' compensation judge to get your surgery approved. Hope you found this information about what to do when the workers' compensation denies your surgery helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you've got more questions about workers' compensation cases, I would encourage you to get answers to those. One of the best ways to get specific answers to your questions is to set up a free consultation with me. I'd be happy to set one up with you. There's two easy ways you can do that. You can visit our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and complete and submit the free consultation request form, and someone from my office will reach out to you and get one scheduled. Or the second way is just by calling our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen, and we'll schedule one for you. If you'd like some more information or to view other videos in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series, just visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. You can view all the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series there, and you can even subscribe if you'd like to be notified of future videos as I publish them. I'd like to thank you again for watching today, and I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.